Okay, so I was going to do an unboxing video for the 2 new figures that I just received from the phone app crane game Toreba, but my phone decided to go wacky-doo. So I've already opened the box, put together the figures, but I thought I'd still do an unboxing. So here's the box, and here's the figures. First up, we've got Porcas Diez from One Piece, from the anime One Piece. And the only thing he's missing is his hat. But I think there's actually a couple of other figures. One of his adopted brothers. One of each of his adopted brothers. One is Sabo. The other is Luffy. And I think Luffy has their hats. So, but yeah. There's Porcas Diez. Set him aside. Don't go falling off the bed. And the other is this guy. Gogeta in monkey form. He's form 4. And he is the fusion dance version of Goku and Vegeta. So, and I do have his other, and his tie just fell off. I'm having a problem with this thing. It doesn't want to stay in if you hit it the least little bit. I will fix that in a moment. But, anyways, there are my 2 new figures.